delicious, amazing. Oh, my mouth is drooling. Thank ya. I know we could do it. I'm showing you guys because it's for the video. So that you guys can go back and watch. Ready for that squeeze? We did not come here to play. With all of this, whatever I mix for my laundry, that's what I use. Hey, Big Meek. How are you, my love? Look at the pool. It's about to be purple and then it's probably gonna end up blue. Am I drinking? I don't drink, honey. Oh, if you're talking about water, yeah. I have my drink right next to me. Desde Jalisco. Hola. Hello. Hola, hola. ¿Cómo les va? Gracias por estar aquí. Después de la sobrecarga lo guardo y lo uso para lavar. No, no le pongo Ajax. Yo no lavo con Ajax. You got a chemical burn from playing with bleach? You gotta be careful, love, because you have to know if you are allergic to bleach. So if you got a chemical burn just from dyeing your hair, you gotta go get some testing, and you gotta see what you're allergic to, what else you're allergic to, because if you got a bleach burn, then that means probably you can't even play with cleaning products. So yeah, make sure you go with your doctor and let them know. Oh my God, yes, it's giving Stitch and Angel vibes. You are right. Yeah, I've gone like 4 bleach burns. I have to wear gloves unless... Yes, be careful. I've gone 4 bleach burns already. And it's gonna keep happening because our skin is sensitive. Okay, we are done. I'm gonna go ahead and restart the live. We are gonna be in the tote. How many likes? How many taps? 300. For my next live, can we get to 300 again? And I'll be satisfied, I'll be happy. That'll put us to 600K in total. If you don't follow me right now because I'm about to restart my live. If you don't follow me right now. Si no me sigues, sígueme, sigue mi cuenta porque voy a reiniciar el en vivo. Si no me siguen, síganme ahorita porque voy a reiniciar. I will restart the live. Follow me now. Thank you everyone for being here. We are moving to the tote. In the tote, we are gonna add folk aroma, softeners, dish soaps, liquids, everything else. Oh my god, I can't stop squeezing. It smells so good in here.